Hi, this is Viru Skill Development Center Nagar. Here we have a little bit of informations I gathered from various books, various topics, and I have chosen. And my topic is origin of accounting. Is a first class, and I would like to tell you all guys. And okay, let me start. In ancient time, we found that initially they were using barter system to overcome the difficulties of business, but now they have moved forward to digital business. In the year of 2020, pandemic situation has brought the new era of digital payment system in a faster and easy way, and it helps to enhance business dealings in a smart way, like mobile banking and all. And the father of accounting is Luca Pasilio. The next one is the rules of debit and credit. Here, for recording changes in the assets, expenses, or losses. And second one is for recording changes in liabilities and capital and revenue or gains. For example, if increase in asset is debited, the decrease in assets will be credited. And increase in expenses or losses is debited, and the decrease in expenses or losses is to be credited. And the second one is increase in liability is credited and decreased in liabilities is debited, and increase in capital is credited and decrease in capital is debited, and increase in revenue or gains is credited, then decrease in revenue or gain is debited. And here I have represented in a symbolic format. For example, if asset increase is debited. For example, if asset is increased, that will be debited. And the same way, and I have mentioned all arrow keys. If it is increased, if it is decreased, the case should be as follows. For example, assets is when increase in asset is debited and decrease in assets will be credited, and increase in expenses or losses is debited and expenses losses is decrease is to be credited, and increase in liabilities is credited and decrease in liabilities is debited, and increase in credited and decrease in capital is debited. And the final one is revenue or gain is increased is to be credited. If in case revenue or gain is decreased, that should be debited. And this is the first class, and I have gone through the main topics, which is very basic important points, and we have to keep in mind. And while we are going through the journal entries, and we'll get sufficient informations, and I will explain the one and done journal entries as follows. And the next class will be taken on the following descriptions. You can read it and get it and ready for that. Thank you.